Yeah, good afternoon. Brought factory when my brother came to me that he was passing through the under bridge where the railway is. So he found difficult of passing there. So after he passed there, then he's going to offload the blocks. So after he's done with the blocks, then when he was coming back, he was not able to pass there. So he have to turn back. Even though when with the block, when he's passing there, you see a scratching under the bridge. Yeah, so after the discharging of the blocks, he's trying to pass there back, but the car was torn now. At first, the car was down, so he was able to pass there. Then he take different alternative that he will take to the railway, the top of the railway. So he passed through the railway and he started. So he said he need jack to jack it so that the car can move quickly. So even though he was coming with the jack, then he heard that the train smashed the car into pieces. So this is what we heard. This official complaint with the driver. He was arrested. He was arrested. They leave him, then later we go and arrest him at home. Yeah. The railway authorities should look at it very well too, because development are going on here, big one. So they should help us to get a road to those sites that we can go. So big cars, tipper truck will be coming here. So we beg them that they should create a good route for us so that the big cars can be able to come. I'm not aware. I'm not aware, boss. Yes.
If you were aware, what might have happened? What would you have done in case that your vehicle broke down? What might you have done?
Oh, we should have taken it quickly. We are not aware. We are not aware. Yeah. Not even past there. We are not aware.
Okay.
Politics. Don't do politics. It's sabotage. Yeah.
So it is not a sabotage.
I'm not doing politics. I am a business man. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not a politician.
All right.
Yeah.